And in fact, one of the most surprising things to me through this whole surgery was what happens to your muscles. It was crazy. It was almost like they were paralyzed at first. And I was somebody that most of my strength was in my legs. And to have them turn to mush was extraordinary and disconcerting, to say the least. And it, through the help of the physical therapist at home, who helped me just get my head how to fire those muscles up, we started doing work there, and then we moved on to those dynamic exercises on the X10. Primarily the pump test was in where you're pushing down against weight to try to just get the quadriceps back in the game. And it took more time than I thought it was going to be honest. So now that I've finished up with the X10, I'm lucky that I have a Peloton bike, and that was something that I was avid about prior to surgery, and I've already started using it a bit, and so I will just fall into that pattern now that I don't have the X10. My daily routine will be to take a class on my stationary bike, and of course doing the physical therapist exercises. They give you plenty to work on, so I'll do that too.